Hello everyone. I want to explain how to create LinkedIn account. For creating LinkedIn account, just you have to open linkedin.com website. So this is the official website for creating LinkedIn account. So now if you want to create a LinkedIn account, here just you have to connect with your Google account. Just you have to tap on continue with Google. Now you have to log in with your Gmail account. Here it will ask you to confirm the account connection. Just click on confirm button. Now here you have to enter your details. Suppose just I want to create some account name with my name, suppose. So after enter first name, last name, here you have to enter your valid email ID. Now after entering every details, just click on agree and join button. Now after that, it will ask you to verify the code because suppose please solve this puzzle so we know you are a real person. Just click on verify button. Is nothing but proper way. So this is the proper way because the rest of the remaining images, if you observe, that are there rotated. Now this image is the proper image. Now again, if you observe, all the images are rotated except this image. Just you have to tap on here. Now, if both are correct, automatically it will be navigated into LinkedIn website. Now here, I request all the students, please try to check the location as Visakhapatnam for Andhra Pradesh, Visakhapatnam. Or else, if you are from Kakinada, choose Kakinada. If you are from Vijayanagaram, choose Vijayanagaram. If you are from Srikakulam, choose Srikakulam. You have to choose your location only. Just click on next button. Now, most recent job title. But you are the student, so you have to choose I am a student. Now here you have to enter your college name. Suppose Aditya Degree College. Aditya Degree College. Followed by you have to mention your district also. Aditya Degree College Vijayanagaram, Aditya Degree College Kakinada, Aditya Degree College Santinagar, Aditya Degree College Vijayanagaram, like that. Suppose if the Vijayanagaram is not there, you have to enter here. Now I want to choose Aditya Degree College Visakhapatnam. Now what is the academic starting year? Suppose academic starting year is 2023. Suppose now we are completed our graduation in 2006. So you have to enter your starting graduation year and ending graduation year. Now you know that the years is over 16. So after entering every details, just click on continue button. Now it will ask you some details. Are you looking for a job? So you choose as I am actively looking for a new job. Just tap on new. Now again you have to choose the location. So what's your location? So location is only you have to enter your nearest location. Suppose Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh, India. Again it will ask you, you can select up to 5 titles and locations. Now software developers, software developer, software engineer, software engineer. So after entering software engineer, again you have to enter Software engineer. Suppose if are you from data science, just you have to tap data scientist. Data scientist. Even though you can enter at least you have to enter 5 job titles. So software analyst. So software analyst. So next one is database engineer. So suppose database analyst. So at least you have to enter 5 job titles. Again, you have to enter 5 job locations. Suppose Hyderabad. Hyderabad. Next one Bangalore. Next one Chennai. Next one Pune. Next one Bhubaneswar. Whatever. Just you have to enter at least 5 job locations. And also you have to tap on I'm open to remote work also. So here you have to enter 5 job titles and 5 job locations. Just again you have to tap on next. Again tap on next button. Again tap on next button. So now again you have to tap on next button. So this is the account of LinkedIn. So what is the importance of the LinkedIn? We have to discuss it right now. Suppose when you want to get the notifications from the companies, so you have to check in suppose internet sources or any other sources, but here you have to follow some companies. Suppose I want to just you have to click on home button. Now here you have to search for IBM jobs. Just you have to click IBM. So you have to follow the IBM page. So definitely you will get the notification from the IBM. Again, if you want to follow Infosys, then you will get the notification from the Infosys. Suppose if you want to contact with any IBM employees, just you have to click on view page. Now here, if you observe, just here, you have to tap on people. Now, if you want to contact with IBM HR, just type HR here and click enter. Automatically, all the HR's data will be displayed here. So when you tap on anyone, suppose if you want to contact with any talent acquisition of IBM, just click message, send some message. Automatically they will check your message, and if there is any opportunity, they will provide you. And also, even if you want to share your achievements, if you want to enter any certification details, if you want to share any achievements, you can easily share. Suppose if you complete 5 HackerRank, suppose whenever if you complete any 1 star in HackerRank, suppose just go to your page, just you have to open hackerrank.com. Hackerrank.com. Now here if you want to share the screenshot of your achievement, just go to here. Here if you observe profiles option, just to tap on profile option. Here, this is your achievement. For completing every star, you have to take this screenshot like this. Just you have to click on print screen button on your keyboard. Just you have to select it. Select like this. Now, again, you have to open here. Just enter in small letters. I happy to I happy to inform you that I completed 1 star in C on HackerRank platform. Suppose for every star, you have to enter like that. For every certification, you have to enter like that. Next, here, you have to enter like that. So you have to enter the taglines. Hash coding, hash IBM, hash, hash Wipro, hash Wipro, hash Infosys, hash TCS, hash Deloitte, suppose hash Zuckerberg, like that. You have to enter some companies. Now, if you want to upload the image screenshots, so just you have to upload the screenshot and click next and click post. So automatically what will happen? So this type of post you have to post it on your wall. Then automatically companies will understand the performance and they will give you opportunity. So I request all the students, you have to create LinkedIn account like this. Every achievement, every certifications, you have to post it like this. Definitely it will be very, very helpful for your better opportunity. Thank you all of you. Have a nice day.